Good evening. We'll be back on our third session. So we are going to start about list, and we are still on level 1 of HTML. So we are going to look at the types of list, where we have ordered list and unordered list. In ordered list, here we are listing items when they are numbered with Roman numerals, letters, and numbers. Whereas an ordered list, it's more of listing items with bullets. Without further ado, let us dive into the practical session. Welcome back. We are going to look at list. So open up the workspace, go to your folder. We are going to create another page. It's about list. List.html. So repeat the structure of HTML. Our title is going to be about list. Here we are going to look at ordered list, whereby the list which you have made, or list of item, is going to consist of numbers. It can be alphabet. So that is what ordered list. Start with ordered. It is like this, ordered list. So we are going to take the letter from the first word ordered, that is O, and the letter L to the word list to become what? O-L. So ordered list, like that. Then we have list, as you write list, L-I. So that is a list. So let's say that we maybe examples of computer brand, and we put our heading here, maybe heading 3, computer examples of computer brand. So we have a list, like we give them in the form of a list. So we have HP. Again, we create another list. There. Toshiba. Lenovo, and many others. When I go to run, you'll see that they have been numbered, and that's how we create ordered list. And you can see that I don't want 1, maybe I want to start with the letter A. Here we'll say type equals type equals, so you put a double quotes. Let's say that I'm starting with the letter A, and when you go there, to be starting with small alphabetical order. Let's say you want capital A, you just change the type to capital A, then you'll see that has been changed to A, B, C. Maybe you want to start with Roman numeral, that is I. You put I and you go to play. Are you seeing? So that's how we measure when you want to name like that. If at all you want it in another type, that is unordered, maybe you want it in bullets, you come here, unordered list. So on unordered, we are going to take U as our first word because it has unordered, then and L, that is a list. So we put U N U L. So that is an ordered list, and it is the same list. Maybe here we want let me put here maybe A3 examples of hardware components in the system unit. System unit. So we have, it can be CMOS battery, CMOS battery, RAM, motherboard, buses, those are cables. So we have what we call, maybe let me put cables instead of buses. We can have another one. We have hard disk and so on. So when I go to run, you are seeing that under unordered list, that these items or the list of items are just in byte format, not in numbered or in Roman numeral or in alphabet. So that's how we can list our items. And again, you can necessitate them. It's called necessitating. But how can I comment? So we are going to learn also commenting. Here, whatever we are going to comment is going to appear in our page. It's not going to appear. So you put exclamation mark and you write that this is nested list. So here we have commented as a programmer. Let's say that you have maybe left the code in a company, and maybe there's a certain programmer they have employed to come and look into your code. You have to leave some comment where necessary. So here we are going to look at nested list. So we are going to combine two lists. All right, let us start with an ordered list. So we are going maybe to have software in ordered and hardware in unordered. So we put a list. Softwares. Maybe we have Word, Microsoft Word. We have Excel, which we have looked at. We have another one, publisher, and maybe lastly is access. And you can put an ordered list inside the ordered, and we put a list again, and these are components which you have ever touched. That is, we have a mouse, keyboard, monitor, and lastly system unit. When I go to run and I check my work, so we are seeing that we have nested list, which is here. This is a list within another list, so that's called nested list. So members, let us stop from here and let us call it a day. Thank you.